One of the most deceptive sentences you could say is surprisingly positive. I hope. But what if those two words are secretly teaching your subconscious to wait instead of move? Today, I'm going to show you why your mind says I hope, the hidden sentence behind it, and what to say instead. So, what is actually wrong with saying I hope? Let me tell you something interesting. Your subconscious listens very carefully to certainty, and subconscious hears that you're unsure. When you repeat I hope, it usually hears maybe. Maybe it happens, maybe no, it doesn't. And with that, as if you're waiting for something external to decide for you, the hidden sentence is the outcome is really not up to me. But what is more interesting, if your subconscious believes that, what does it do next? It starts waiting. Instead of asking, what is my next step? It quietly asks, when will my life change? Instead of building something, it waits for permission, for confidence, for luck, for the perfect moment. But it is not only that, it is something deeper. Most of the time, I hope is not about optimism or about uncertainty. Listen, I hope people choose me. I hope I succeed. I hope things are getting better. Your subconscious hears you don't fully believe, but what else your subconscious hears? It's not really available for me. The hidden sentence is, I don't fully believe this is available for me. The interesting thing is that it's very, very hard to avoid saying I hope, because hope feels safer than commitment. If you only hope, you never have to risk disappointment. So hope becomes a beautiful place to hide. So if I hope creates waiting, what words would create movement? Change the words. Instead of I hope this project works, say I know this project is moving in the right direction. Instead of I hope people like my work, say I believe the right people will recognize my work. Instead of I hope I feel better soon, say I know my body is moving towards balance. Or I choose, I'm creating, I do believe, I'm moving forward. Each tells your subconscious, keep moving, keep moving. But what if I genuinely don't know what will happen? Change the words. I don't need certainty about the future, only commitment for your next step. Instead of I hope, say I'm taking steps towards it. Action replaces waiting. Or just say with all your faith, I believe. Before you scroll, I'm just curious how you would finish the sentence I hope and how you would change the words. Please write me this in the comments. Yes, I'm LenaDone and this is Change the Words. Follow me, and every week we uncover another hidden sentence and change the words together.